idea. I had to build it up so it wouldn't collapse, because it collapsed on me. So I had to take it all apart and glued it down with some wood glue, and it's in there, guys. I don't have to worry about my heart coming apart at all. And this is it. Isn't he cute? Do you see that? Isn't that cute, guys? So all I did was took a piece of red vinyl, cut it in a heart, measured it out. I could have made the heart a little bit bigger. I cut the cupid out in white and just set it up there, and it's so cute. So I'm gonna turn on my lights right now so you guys can see. Isn't that cute? Let me see if we can turn off that light. You still can't see it, so I'm gonna turn off the other light so you can see if you can see just the lights. Those heart lights are from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna turn it off and on, and maybe you can see the difference. Now you don't have to do the lights. I just wanted to do the lights. I have another project that I'm gonna do, so I might take those lights off. You can hide them behind that. It just looks so much pretty when the lights is. Let me turn off this light over here so you guys can really get the look or the feel. So there it is. That's the light, guys. See the difference? Yeah. So those are the Dollar Tree heart lights, and every year about this time they put them out for Valentine's Day. And guys, you can literally take these off and do something else with these little hearts, right? Jazz at the bottom. So I'm going to start sticking my roses down. No particular way, just and you can use all small. You do not have to use just the big ones. You can use just all the small ones, all the big ones. Again, that's up to you. So you get much more smaller ones in the pack, right? I think it would have been better for you just to do the small ones. And like I said, if you don't want to use those, you could take the small ones and take them all the way up, right? Until the end. I'm going to zoom you in on the bottom so you guys can see exactly. And then I'll bring you back outside, and it's time to see the picture. Okay, so once again, we have another small pack of the foam rose petals, as some would call, from Dollar Tree. And let's just stick them. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. I love it already. And I'm gonna put that on top of the battery pack, guys. Okay, guys, there we have it. There you have it. I think it came out really cute. I really, really do. So I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see the back side. Well, this is actually the back side, and this is the front side. But I like the way those cream roses bring it out. There you go. There you go, my Cupid. My Cupid. So guys, like I said, this can right here could be the centerpiece of a Valentine's Day party, for anniversary. This could be used for so many other different things. You can literally take this piece off, put words up in there. I love you, happy anniversary, will you marry me? This wooden plaque here is one of the reasons why I made this wooden plaque. Is we could have put some more flowers on here. It's one of the reasons why I made this wooden plaque. Not just for so much of this project, to be used in quite a few other projects, and this is going to do it. The next project I will be using it in, maybe it's a baby shower, right? Maybe it's a wedding. You know, just put all white roses down here. You can put real roses down here. Put a picture of the couple that's getting married. This wooden heart here can be used for so many different things. So guys, use it, have fun with it, make it, enjoy it. The hearts I purchased from Michael's. This let me get the name of it because I keep calling it a stick. And let me just see, okay, the name of it. Or okay, so it doesn't have a name on it. Nope. Okay, they come in all different sizes. They can be found at Michael's. They come in big, small, tall. They can be found at Michael's. And they do have a name for it, but I'm not sure of the name. So I got that at Michael's. I got this wooden base piece here. Let me show you. I believe this is it. Yeah, this one here was purchased at Dollar Tree. It's kind of hard to find them, so when you find them, I'm not going to say pick them all up because I don't want to sound greedy. But pick up quite a few of these because it's hard to find this size in Dollar Tree. You can find a smaller size, which I have, but for certain projects I need this size here. Or you can go to Michael's and get them. They have these in all sizes you want. Michael's have it. But in the meantime, you can use this from Dollar Tree. Just shellac it, put some gel on it, some stain on it, shellac it, polyurethane it, do what you want to do with it, and yeah, this could be your base. And then in the video, you'll see how I use those tools to make the holes. And you don't need those tools. What you can do is just put a little water in here and use your X-Acto knife and just start peeling out that round circle that you will need to insert this stick here. Okay, guys? So that's another trick. Is that it? Yes. So, guys, please, whatever you do, give me a thumbs up and think about coming back. I have so much more to give, and I think you guys appreciate that. So let's do this. Let's do this together. Come on my journey. Rosalind's journey through crafting. It's our journey. It's not my journey no more. It's our journey. Come with me on this journey and let's make some fabulous things. Okay, so on that, I'm signing out, guys. Bye-bye.